Good morning. I wanted to share the unveiling of my recent order because I'm excited about the stuff. Hoping the lighting is good for you. So SeneGence C, and then brand new silk. They just reformulated the silk. I'm super excited about that. Look at this new collection. This is the primary reason I wanted to do the video, so that I could show you this amazing bag. All right, so let's look at this collection. This is the California Dreaming collection. So here are the colors, and I will bring you out into the natural light after we finish the unveiling of the box. So I'll set this aside for a minute. That's why I wanted to do this outside. Got a couple of those collections. I got some fun little gift with purchase bags that have a little mirror in it and fit about 4 of your products. Got some more samples. Since I can't see you guys in person, I want to send you samples so that you can try stuff. Oh, this is kind of cute too. This little brush travel kit. Some more samples. Got a brand new beauty book, so some new stuff in there. Super excited about that. All right, guys, you were wondering about the color Surge collection, kind of neon-y colors. Here they are, and once again, I will take those into the natural light, or the sunlight. This is the natural light, and show you more of what these are all about. So back to that in a minute. Oh, new fun colors. So lots of cool stuff there. Always love getting boxes. It's like Christmas. Some more men's stuff. Some more skincare. Mascara, skincare. Oh, the new silk. So excited about that. Foundations have been really popular. Oh, this is the new hair care. Yeah, new hair care. You guys are going to be thrilled about that. Skincare, kits, samples. All right, so let me scoot this off to the side for a minute. Let's come over here into the natural lighting of the sun. Let's see, where can we take this? Let's go over by the pool. How about that? All right, guys, so I won't be able to see this very well, but hopefully you can. All right. Get my shade out of the way. There, that'll be better. Okay. So, what we have here is the Color Surge collection. And this is the Amped Up Orange. So, Amped Up Orange. Trying to get it so it'll focus there. And then we've got the Neon Green. So neon green. Oops, that's backwards. I've been holding everything backwards. Okay, and then we've got the fiery coral. Okay, fiery coral. Here we go. And then plasma pink has been the color of choice with most of you. Most of you are super stoked about the plasma pink. I am too. We had a tropical orchid, I think it was what it was called years ago, and that was really popular. All right, so here we go. Here is, check this out right there. Yep, there's some amazing colors. All right, so the that's one of them. I'm going to scoot that off to the side. Now this. So California Dreaming came out, and I was able to get the cute little bag here that comes with the collection. And all of this can be sold separately, but if you get the collection, you get the bags as well. And then they just released the lips, which I have not ordered, but I wanted to get at least one so that I could show you guys colors. Now, as I mentioned to you before, I'm not really ordering as many of the limited editions since I'm not in seeing you guys in person. I'm sorry, I haven't had my full cup of coffee yet this morning, and I only got like maybe 3 hours of sleep last night. So this is the eyeshadow collection with the color California Dreaming. and the lips came out. So I'm taking pre-sale orders, and I'll be doing another order with this stuff really soon. So, all right, guys, that is long enough. Hopefully that helped with explaining the colors, and you have a fantastic day.